upside down, we're going all over the place. Betty Swallock's up here today, show you what we're on with. We're going to make some frame ends, great sharpies. So, it's for gas marks, as usual. We're just going to put a bit of a fishtail on this. So you see that there, nice fishtail. Straight over here, going to put a scroll end on it. Just there till we're parallel, and that's that. We've got some of them to do, loads of scrolls to do. There you go. Over here, we've got some fishtail latches. These are made out of 25x6 with 10 mil hole in them. And what we do is pop them in here, just get this fixture just up a bit. Just go and put them in about 25 mil. Press start, and it puts a quarter turn in them. And there you go, them's your little latches. Right, also we've got some fishtail scrolls, 12x6 scrolls. We're going to make some top scrolls. These are 12 mil square, bit of a fishtail at end. Put these in this jig here. Whack my lid on, bit of tag. That's it, not top scrolls, so you just bog standard gauge. Also, what we're doing today is I'm making some key rings. I've had a big shout out for these guys here, Lance Corporal Danny Burrows of the 50 Squadron, 29th Royal Logistics Corps, currently serving in the Falkland Islands at the moment, and he's going to get married to Dion Price, and she actually outranks him. So she is the boss, and she will be when they get married on the 6th of September. So big shout out to them and the dog Layla, which is from Eric Claptout's Layla. So we're moving these bit of 8 mil square, well, about 80 mil long. Put them in forge. What we do with these? Oh, yeah, it's a big bar from here to there. So a bit of bar. Flatten that out. Just so we can get a bit of a punch. Stick that back in, we're losing 8 on that now. Just stick that one in. Here's one I've already bashed on. What we've got a bit of a punch there, we've 12 square down to a smaller square. I'm going to put the holes in, or what represent the holes, and the nails of an horseshoe. So if you can see there, we're just getting a bit of a shape. Just stick that back in, get another one out, try it again. Tell you what, it's bloody warm up here today. Again, 20 sector, again. We put about 5 holes in them in, all the way along, and then we start slowly turning it around. So we get baby anvil, just start cracking around that, slowly away. As you do. There's one with partially made, so it just needs a little bit more. Until you go somewhere. So, if you guys like and share this page this week, we're going to do a prize draw. We're giving a couple of these away next week. So what we do, get them over here, bit of a bevel brush, bit of an hole in them. So, just blow the centre punch on that. Bit of an hole in there. there you go. Your lucky horseshoes, key rings. Get them here at North Valley Ford and make it Bob Swift.